Activity book for beginners. Listen and answer. Ahmed Zewail, the father of femtochemistry. Ahmed Zewail was a famous Egyptian scientist who made groundbreaking discoveries in chemistry. He was born in 1946 in Egypt and later moved to the United States to continue his studies and research. Zewail is known as the father of femtochemistry, which is a special field of science that studies chemical reactions in extremely tiny fractions of a second, called femtoseconds. A femtosecond is 1/1,000,000th of a billionth of a second. Thanks to his work, scientists could see how chemical reactions happen in real time, which was a huge breakthrough. In 1999, Ahmed Zewail won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his incredible work. He became the first Egyptian and Arab scientist to win this prestigious award. Zewail's achievements made him a role model for many young scientists around the world, especially in Egypt. He also worked to improve education and science in his home country, helping students and scientists to grow and succeed.